going to do this. So hang on. Alright guys, I love how everything this looks. Well, this leg was a bit of a struggle, but went in. That's not a top piece, that's an ass. What's really nice, only the Battle Damaged version gives you the red eyes on the combat pose. And then you put the unmasked portrait on, or the non-combat pose. And we're going to put this other arm on. Okay. Some of these parts are just shit with... Like, this is kind of freaking loose. It's annoying. This can actually be switched on both sides. So you can have his combat blade, his stinger blade on the other side, and then you can have his... So you have options with how to display this.